Hi guys. Sorry it's taken me a while to follow up on my video and my progress. I've been busy with holidays and traveling and family. Nonetheless, my 2-month mark fell on the 29th of December. And I wanted to update you guys on the progress and where I currently am. As you might be able to tell, my speaking has gotten a lot better. I still struggle because I still have a lot of numbness. I can't feel my chin, my lower lip. I have several areas of my mouth that are also still numb. And like the side of my tongue is still numb. It feels really awkward. I haven't had any excessive complications other than the fact that my braces kill my mouth now. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get them off. I feel like they're constantly like scratching me everywhere. I still get like that feeling that I'm slobbering every time that I speak, and the more that I speak, the more that I literally feel like there's slobber like coming down my chin, but there's nothing there. So hopefully that'll go away eventually. My bite is still pretty good, but the one thing that I have noticed is that since my top lip isn't as swollen or protruded as it was, I feel like my lower chin is sticking out more. So, and it could just totally be me, but this is just makes me, even in pictures, I can see that my lower chin is kind of like sticking out a little bit. I'm not sure what that's about. Hopefully that goes away as well. My doctor did put me in bands. I don't have them on right now, but they hook from the furthest hook on the top to the second hook on the bottom. He didn't explain to me exactly what that's supposed to do though, so I can't tell you. My bite is still on, so right in the center. However, he did expand my upper palate 7 millimeters to the left, obviously. So my molars don't fit. So when your teeth are supposed to fit, like, you know, your molars are going to come in and hit each other, and that's what stops your jaw. My molars are way out here. So when I go to bite down, there's no significant bite. So I keep like clenching and my teeth move. Like, I'm not even kidding. Let me see if I can have you guys see. So yeah, that is not a very good feeling. Especially when I'm trying to bite down on something, it's just awkward. The doctor said that it's because the orthodontics are still trying to move my teeth into the place that they need to be. But in my mind, I'm like, are my teeth gonna fall out if they keep moving like that? They haven't fallen out yet. That's good. I did have, after my surgery, I came out and I had localized swelling right underneath where he had put the bone grafts. That has gone down a lot. Like right here, you can't really see it as bad anymore, thank goodness. Yeah, so that has gone down. You can see, like, as my swelling starts to go down, I can see where he expanded my jaw. Literally right here. See where my jaw was? There's still a little bit of a gap here. I can feel it where it's trying to fill in. Same thing on this side, right here. I don't know if that's ever going to fill in, but it doesn't necessarily bother me. What I did also start to notice is my opening of my mouth has almost reached its capacity. So currently I can open it like this, which is pretty good. However, there are times where I open my mouth, and I feel like my throat like it's folding into itself, and it makes like this crunching noise. It doesn't necessarily hurt, it's just like a little bit of pressure. The doctor said that he didn't know why, but I'm guessing that because my jaw is in a totally new place, that's not where my mouth opened before, so maybe it's like gonna eventually go away. I don't know. The popping in my jaw is still there. Sometimes it's really loud. It's not as often as it used to be, and it doesn't hurt, which is good. I still can't get used to the way that my mouth looks. I am not used to seeing my teeth or my braces, which is really weird. So that's taking time to get used to, and smiling is really unnatural. That's what I'll say. My mouth in general just feels very unnatural. Like when I smile, my entire life I've smiled with my mouth shut, because when I would smile with my mouth open or to show teeth, you couldn't see any anyways, so it just looked really awkward. So right now when I smile with my mouth closed, it just feels very forced, probably because I'm still learning how to smile like that, and I still have numbing up here. Obviously my chin and my lower lip are still totally numb, so I have no idea what the hell they're doing. But when I smile with my mouth open, that feels a little bit more natural. Not so, I don't know why, but when I'm really like laughing really hard, my gums show. And that's something that I have not been used to either. Taking pictures has been difficult, just because again, it's not, this is a whole new face, pretty much. I don't know how to pose, I don't know how to smile, the lighting sometimes makes me look really weird, like if my lower jaw is protruding. So when I smile with my mouth shut, so you can kind of tell like my lower jaw is out a little bit. Maybe it's just something that I have to get used to. I haven't really had any other complications. My hip healed really well. I have 0 issues with it now, thank goodness. There's still part of that area that is numb, but it doesn't hurt. I can walk, I can jump, I can run. It doesn't bother me at all. For some reason, the inside of my left nostril has had like swelling in there since my surgery, and it doesn't go away, it's just there. It kind of feels like there's something in there, but it's not boogers. I've cleaned myself out and I've blown my nose a lot of times. It's not that. Other than that, I have nothing else to update you guys on. Other than that, it's healing really well, I think. I'm just really hoping that I get filling back in my chin and in my lower lip. Just because it's something that you don't really know that you use until you can't use it anymore. Like eating, speaking, kissing, making facial expressions, all that comes into play. And your lower lip is used for it. Also, I have bitten my lower lip many times. I mean hard. I probably still have a little bruise right there, but I can't feel it. All I can hear is like a crunching noise and like a slight burning sensation. Probably because my body knows that I just bit the heck out of my lip. Other than that, I have nothing else. Do I regret my surgery? I do not. It was very difficult to heal from at the beginning. I dealt with complications after. It's taking long to heal and to get feeling back and to learn how to speak again and where to position my tongue It's taken a while to get to embrace my new face and my new look and being able to see my teeth, but I don't regret it at all. Would I do it again? I don't know. It's tough because I'm not all the way healed yet. Maybe ask me that in 6 months when everything is where it's supposed to be and I hopefully get a feeling back. If you guys have any specific questions, please feel free to ask. I will probably update you guys again in a couple of months. If not, a 6-month update. If nothing else happens between then and now. Hopefully within 6 months I'll have my braces off. Hoping. Other than that, thanks for watching. Bye.